From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The seventh problem of 2025 NECO is on depreciation, and it says a fridge bought for 120,000 naira depreciated by 25% in the first year and 20% the second year. Find its value at the end of the second year. So we first of all look for its value at the end of the first year. So first year, its value will be its current value 120,000 minus 25% of this, meaning its depreciation. 25 over 100 times 120,000. And so this is 120,000 minus this, go with this, and 25 times 1,200 is 30,000. So if we subtract this, after first year, its value will be 90,000. Now for the second year, we are told that it depreciated by 20%. So we do the same thing. Second year, I'm looking for the value. The value will be this current value after the first year minus 20% of this value, because it depreciated 20% the second year. 20 over 100 times 90,000. An easier way to do this is to factorize 90,000 out. So this is 90,000. 1 minus, this is 0.2, and this is 90,000 times 0.8. And if we multiply this, we'll get 72,000. So this is the value of the fridge after second year. Meaning, if the man want to resell it, this is what he will sell it after second year. And that's B. Thank you for watching.